Hey guys, AJ with Relentless Racing. Welcome back to the channel. This week I introduced Element Fire to my website, and today I'm going to talk about installing the roll bar mount for the Element Fire E50. As you know, I've already installed an E50 into my S2000 using two Quick Fist heavy duty mounts. But today I'm going to install one on my roll bar right here. Let's get started. The roll bar kit comes with the bracket and two worm drive clamps. The only tools that you really require to install this are either a 8mm nut driver or a flathead screwdriver, and it's just to tighten down the worm drive clamp. If you'll notice, I've put some green tape on the roll bar here, and I've put some on this bracket right here, and this is just to protect these particular surfaces because they are powder coated and I'm OCD. To install the roll bar bracket, just slip your clamps just like this through here. And this other one through here as well. You can kind of see how they come through there, and just put them over the top of the roll bar and then reconnect them, and then use the nut driver to tighten them down. Prior to installing the E50, all you have to do is just undo this Velcro strap right here, snap the E50 in so that way it fits between the two ends right here, and then reapply your Velcro strap just like that. And that's it. It's a super easy installation. It makes it very convenient to have your E50 close to you just in case there's an emergency. If you'd like to pick up this E50 and this roll bar bracket, check out my website at www.shoprelentlessracing.com. This is AJ with Relentless Racing. Thanks so much for watching this video. Stay relentless, and I'll see you on the track.